Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Robert Carter, District Technology Coach here, looking at Google Forms. In this video, I'd like to examine editing, deleting, and moving questions from within a form. This was the template assessment that I pulled up from our gallery. Let's go ahead and first of all look at adding one. So let's, over here on the right-hand side, we're going to add a question. And let's just say, what is your favorite type of pizza? Now, clearly, in most assessments, you're not going to ask such a question, but we can choose the format of them. That could be short answer, clearly, or we could do multiple choice and do frozen, deep dish, Chicago, New York, etc. You can see options for drop downs in which the students, this is for data acquisition basically. The students would just select their options. This really wouldn't be for an assessment per se. You can see paragraph, as well as if you were trying to do linear scale questions, which are more like is how much, do you like pizza? One being not at all. And 5 being I would eat it every day. We have the choice to make this a required question, as well as to decide where it's going to be put in the Google form as a whole. We're going to go back to short answer and go, what is your favorite pizza? Okay, now we can decide if we want to move this guy up and down. We put it all the way to the bottom. Whenever we need to, we can simply click on that any particular question and decide whether we want to edit it. This can be changed to check boxes. We can change the values in them whenever we want, and as well as take values away. If this is a question we don't want anymore at all, we're going to simply hit the trash can button. I can hit undo to bring it back. Maybe it's a question or the format at least that I really like and I want to base my next question on the same format. I can duplicate it, which is going to bring everything identical down. And then I could change what I need for the second question. And as well as move it like I'd mentioned before. Or in this case, we can delete it. And so on. So in this video, I wanted to show you adding, editing, deleting, and moving questions. So you have that functionality throughout Google Forms in terms of you being able to organize your form, your assessment, your data collection survey, whichever you'd like, in terms of being able to have it flow the exact way that you would like. Once again, if you have any questions that I did not cover in terms of adding, editing, and deleting, and moving questions, please let me know. Otherwise, enjoy your day.